Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vikas and you are watching Restore Hub. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how you can remove iPhone lock to owner any iOS update. You can see right now this iPhone is iPhone 13 and right now it's stuck on lock to owner. So this method that I am showing in this video working on iPhone 13, 14 and 15 only. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to tap on this eye icon. You can see it's showing IMEI number and other details right now. Okay, now swipe up and select your language. Right now I'm selecting English language and select your country and region right now. Okay, United States. Right now tap on continue. Set up without any other device. Okay, and select here your Wi-Fi. After connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can see it's asking for iCloud Apple ID and also password to process the next. Now you need to two option here, Apple ID password or unlock with passcode. Simply select unlock passcode. You can see right now it's asking for a passcode, but this time I don't know the password, so cancel. And also not knowing about Apple ID or password, so just go back, again go back. Okay, in that section you need to press the power button. Okay, now you can see option showing here emergency call, accessibility option, Wi-Fi setting, start over, shutdown and cancel. You need to select the Wi-Fi setting. Okay, so tap on that eye icon right now. Okay, now you can see showing here a lot of options. You need to simply scroll down and tap on DNS. Okay, you can see right now showing here DNS. Simply select it and select the manual. Right now you can see showing here automatic and manual. Select the manual. Okay, now in that section you need to add a server. Okay, after add the server you need to simply dial this first one. You can see right now it's showing here first one. Simply add that code 168.23.688.35. okay, now tap on add server again. Simply add this 177.38.868.59. okay, simply again tap on add server 192.579.599.39. okay, in that section you need to tap on simply save. Okay, after that you need to simply tap on this option, tap on this. Okay, select the automated Simply you paste this URL in that section, http, okay, // restore hub.io. Simply save it. Okay, make sure you all enter the correct thing that I am using right now. Okay, don't miss anything, any words. If you want to unlock your iPhone lock to owner, okay, by that simple method. Now you need to go back, okay, and simply tap on continue and wait for a few seconds. It will take some minutes to activate your iPhone. Make sure all these information is correct right now. It will take some time to activate your iPhone, so watch video till end and don't miss any part of video. You can see right now it's tap on continued, tap on adult right now, set up later, don't use passcode right now, don't use, okay, don't transfer anything, set up later in setting, tap on agree, tap on continue, not no, set up later, yes. Okay, it will take some time to next step. After location services, you can see it's processing right now.